Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how you can screen mirror your Samsung phone, any Samsung phone to any Android TV. Okay, so if you have any Samsung phone like A series or M series or F series or S series or whatever you want, yes, you can just from your Samsung phone, you can mirror screen of your phone to your TV. Okay, here I have this Samsung phone and this Android TV, and I am going to mirror this screen, that is mobile screen, to TV. So first step, make sure that you are connected to a common Wi-Fi, that is your phone and a TV are connected to a common Wi-Fi. Otherwise, you can also use mobile hotspot from your phone. Use mobile hotspot and you can connect that mobile hotspot to your TV. Okay, so you have two methods. If you have Wi-Fi in your home, use that common Wi-Fi. Okay, otherwise use mobile hotspot. As I have Wi-Fi in my home here, I am going to use this Wi-Fi to my both devices here. Okay, so first I go to the phone and go to Wi-Fi section here and see my phone is connected to Durai 5G Wi-Fi. Okay, so this Wi-Fi should also be connected to your TV. See, so go to your TV and select settings of your TV and click additional settings and see network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi. Yes, my TV is also connected to Wi-Fi called Durai 5G. See here. Yes, make sure that you have connected your both device, that is your phone and a TV, to a common Wi-Fi. Otherwise, you can also use mobile hotspot from your phone. If you don't have any Wi-Fi in your home, just use mobile hotspot and that mobile hotspot will be available here. Okay, if you turn on hotspot in your phone, that will be available here and you can connect using the connect button there. Okay, yes, now you have to go to Play Store in your phone. Go to Play Store and search Google Home and install this app, Google Home app. Just click on install and wait for a few seconds. It will be downloading and installing. If it takes long time, just to go and drink a milk or coffee and you can have enough time. Yes, it is installed and click on open. After installing, click on open and click on get started. Click next. Give all permissions if it is asked. Here, important step available. What you have to do? You have to select the email ID that you have used in your TV too. Okay, so what email ID you are using in your phone and your TV should be same. Okay, then only this method will be working. Okay, so select the email ID. So here I would like to select this email ID. Okay, because this email ID I have already signed in my TV. Okay, yes, done, and click on next. Give permission if it is asking. Click on next, give permissions, and it is asking you to turn on Bluetooth. Yes, turn on or cancel. Okay, now go to devices. You will see the device, that is your TV device here. Okay, that is Android TV. Here it's showing. Just click on it. Now click on cast my screen and click on cast screen and click on start now. Your phone screen will be mirrored to TV now. See. So what I see in my mobile screen, that is also seen in my TV. If you would like to increase volume, yes, you can increase from this screen itself. Okay, you can increase volume if you rotate in clockwise direction. If you would like to reduce volume, you can just rotate it in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, suppose if you are going away with the screen and yes, this is the home screen of my phone, that home screen is also in my TV. If you would like to increase volume or decrease volume, control volume, what you would do, you can use only your TV remote. With TV remote, use plus symbol. Okay. To increase volume, C. To decrease volume, use minus symbol. Okay. Yes. So whatever you screen you go from here, yes, that will be open in your TV. I open YouTube. That YouTube is also open in my TV. So in this way, you can easily screen mirror from your Samsung phone. Whatever video you playing, that will also be playing in your TV. For example, I go to my YouTube channel, 5 minutes tech, and yes, this is channel, and I am playing this video. It is also playing in my TV. See, now ad is running. Okay, skip ad is not available. Wait few seconds. Hi friends. See, welcome to 5 minutes YouTube channel. Here is Samsung. Screen is rotated here, so that's also rotated in my TV. Audio is also coming along with the screen. Okay, see. So in this way, you can easily do screen mirroring from your Android phone. That is your Samsung Android phone from any Android TV. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.